and I'm gonna try and flip it. Ready? Oh, that was actually really easy. Oh, I just got a whiff of it and it's making me sick. 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Got a break. Oh, America, America, there's so much good in America. Yeah, America, America, yeah, this one's for you, America. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Do you enjoy listening to Orney Borns songs? Uh-huh. Well, you should visit his brand new channel called Oran McMahon. Oh! On this channel, there is lots of new videos of Orney Borns' original songs and covers. I'm so glad I subscribed to Oran McMahon, because now I can listen to all his latest original songs and covers. And so can you, if you subscribe. So go subscribe to Oran McMahon, because this will be the only place where you can listen to cool new songs. Because he won't be posting any more songs on Orney Borns. Hello people, today I'm going to be making my own food, and every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm only going to be using 3 ingredients for making each thing. So I'm going to get straight into breakfast, which is going to be banana pancakes. So I've got a banana, sweet ground cinnamon, and 2 nice eggs, and I turned them into a smiley face because that's cool. Yay, fun. So of course I'm going to be using Tasty because they've got the best recipes ever. So I would recommend go looking at the channel, and I'm also going to put these recipes in the description if you would like to use them yourself. I just found the bowl. Okay, this is like barely anything up here. If you do it from the bottom. What the heck? Oh, got it. Oh, there's bits of banana. Just grab the banana. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Rounded banana. That's wacky. So I'm just going to throw the banana peel away. And it has a fork. And I just have to mash the banana. Seems kind of hard for some reason. I'll come back in a second. So I have got the banana all squished, I don't know. And now for step 2. Okay, I'm gonna do this in a separate bowl. This one looks okay. Alright, here goes nothing. Now number 2. Okay, so I literally just have to add these eggs. So, straight in, just like that. Okay, I don't have an actual measuring thing, but I'm just going to put 1/4 of this teaspoon. Hopefully that will work. I think that's about 1/4. Okay, yeah, in it goes. Oh, that smells so nice. Okay, so we just mix it, I guess. Looks nice. So just mix it like that. And that should be it. So, put a pan on and put it onto medium heat, which is like 3, and just have to let it heat up. So just do a couple of sprays of this stuff. So I'm just going to use a big old spoon and ladle about this much just in here. And I'm just going to do one at a time because it's not a very wide pan. So I think it's about ready, so I'm just going to catch it and... Whoa, that looks pretty good. Well, it's broken, but it looks good. And I think that's it finished already. That's really quick. So just... Cool, that looks really good. It's a nice pancake. So now, on to the second one. And I'm just gonna make it, it's just a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna flip number 2. Oh, I think this is gonna be a better one. Oh yes, that looks so good. That looks like a real pancake. Nice. Alright, I've cooked the second one and I'm gonna try and flip it, so ready? Oh, that was actually really easy. 5 in a row. 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Don't break. Yeah, it's finished, so time to plate up. Wonderful. And now on to the rest. So I've just been cooking up a storm, and this is the very last pancake, and that is my stack of pancakes. So this is the taste test. Carve it up like a cake. Grab a piece. Very banana-y, but it's very good. You can taste the egg in it, but it's not too overpowering. Very nice. Well, let's move on to lunch. So now I'm going to get on to lunch, which is going to be a 3-ingredient mac and cheese. So I'm going to start by boiling this milk, like so. So I'm just bringing the milk to a boil and stirring it constantly so that it doesn't burn on the bottom. And now that it's boiled, I'm going to add the pasta. I don't have macaroni, but this will do. And then I just start stirring. So within about 10 minutes it will have cooked, and then I can add the cheese. And now it is time to add the cheese. Just quickly spoon it in and stir it. Makes a nice thick mac and cheese. Oh yeah. Looks good already. And now that the macaroni and cheese is finished, I can begin to serve it. Looks really good. Can't wait to dig in. And now for the taste test. Ooh, it's got the mac and cheese squelch. That's really good. Tastes just like real mac and cheese. I'll definitely make this again. Nice and cheesy. 10 out of 10. I lied. The mac and cheese is actually completely disgusting, and I don't think I'll make it. Oh, it's literally making me feel sick. Well, okay, so the pasta itself isn't that bad, but it's the milky sauce. I don't know whatever this bit is. The milky bit, that's the bit I have a problem with. It's just thick, gluggy, and I added pepper, as you can see, and I even added more cheese to see if that would make any difference, but apparently not, and this stuff was born to be disgusting. Oh, I just got a whiff of it, and it's making me sick, and I just can't finish it. No thanks. 0 out of 10. Oh well. Dinner next. Hopefully it will turn out better than lunch. So I've just been halving these pieces of chicken so that I can sear them in the pan. Very nice. So I've pre-measured the ingredients, and now I'm going to start searing the chicken and adding the other two. So I'm just going to spray the pot with a couple sprays of this stuff. And there we go. Now I'm just going to add the chicken. And grab this to spread it out. So now I'm just going to add the rice. Put the lid on. And that's it finished. So now I'm just going to put a lid on to let it stay warm, and it's just going to sit there for now. And now time to plate it up. So just get some rice. And now for some chicken. Looks really good. And this is it, but I'm gonna add some broccoli to be a bit more healthy. And now for the taste test. That's really good. I'm definitely gonna make this again. So good. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm probably not going to be using the mac and cheese recipe ever again, but I'll definitely be using the other two because they were really good. Anyway, please give this video a like and subscribe for more cool videos like this one. Catch you on the flip. Orney Borns out.